you are running into the error message saying, "This book is either missing content or contains invalid content" on your iPhone, don't stress. We are here to help you fix it. This pesky error usually pops up because of a few common issues with the ebook file, like a corrupted download or incompatible file format, or even a glitch within the iBooks app. Let's dive into how to resolve it. Solution 1. Update the app and re-download the book. First, open the Books app. Next, select the Home tab. Then, tap on your profile. After that, tap Update. If you see any updates available, then go ahead and update the app. Now, find the problematic book in your library. Tap and hold the book, then select Delete. Finally, head over to the Purchase section and download the book again. Solution 2. Check for iOS and app updates. Open the Settings app. Tap on General. Then tap Software Update to check for any available iOS updates. If there is an update available, then update your iPhone. Solution 3. Remove and re-add the Apple ID. Open the Settings app again. Tap your Apple ID at the top. Scroll down and tap Sign Out. After that, sign back in with your Apple ID and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 4. Sync the book with iCloud. Open Settings. Tap on your profile. Next, tap iCloud. Then tap See All. Scroll down and toggle off Books. Wait for a little while. Finally, turn it back on. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the "this book is either missing content or contains invalid content" error on your iPhone. If this guide helped you out, let us know in the comments below. We would love to hear from you.